This is a Metalry project that was made in Metalry class at Indiana State University. It's approximately 5 inches across, 6.5, 7 inches tall. It sits on top of this little cone. It's made out of, these faces here are made out of nickel. This band is made out of copper, and the tops and bottom is made out of copper, and this band is made out of nickel. And then you have alternating a band of copper and a band of nickel, and so on. The first face, as you can see, it's a person's face. Here's his eyes, and the nose is just starting to come into view, and his mouth. And then as you move to the next face, there's a little bit of a metamorphosis that takes place, and the face is starting to be just a little bit better. And then go to the next face, and it's just a little bit more clean. And then the final face is made of sterling silver. It's tarnished quite a bit, but it is sterling silver. This was made in the lost wax process, and the first attempt at doing it, the wax was lost, and this was the quickie that was made because the semester was ending. That's why it's thinner than the other ones. It was made in a day, where the original perfect one was made in like 2 weeks. It's not riveted together. The whole thing is held together by screws. If you open it and look inside, you can see that every single screw has been drilled and tapped, and you could actually take the entire thing apart if you wanted to. Inside here also, drilled and tapped. Ignore those. Drilled and tapped. The entire thing is held together by that process. These faces were made by stamping into black pitch. If you know what that means, there should be no explanation. The tops, these bowl dome sections, were made by pounding them out on a forge, an anvil. It's a really neat project. The faces are actually soldered onto the side. Here's a little small hole so that the air could escape in each one. But this was made in 1992, I believe. It used to be really, really shiny and nice, but this is what it looks like after 20 years of tarnishing. And I believe, everybody always asks me what it is. I believe it is an urn.